Hi guys.
Hey guys, what's up?
Welcome back to our channel. Leo, say hi. Danny, say hi. What is that? Daniel, say hi. Danny, say hi.
Hey
yes, guys. Here.
Yeah, so we're here today. We're going to Mona, you and Mona. We're gonna meet Swaggy's new friends, Ukrainian couple.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah, so we're gonna meet them, and they have 2 kids as well. So I guess it's a play date. So should be fun.
Yeah, and actually they work in Jamaica, so that's how they ended up here on the island. And the lady, she found me through my Instagram. She first of all, she said she saw me on YouTube, and that's why she decided to find me on Instagram, and she messaged me, and she sounded really cool, and I went to hang out with them. I'm excited.
So see you up at Mona.
Yeah. So guys, we arrived to Mona, University of West Indies.
University of West Indies.
Yeah. And this is the entrance. Now we're gonna park our car and meet our friends.
Yeah, go to the gate. You see the chapel?
Yeah, near the chapel.
Yeah.
Park near the chapel. Yeah. It looks like that here. To record it? Yeah.
Jenna, Steven, supposed to meet some friends by the chapel. You know where that is?
No, chapel. Pull over, come over. Alright, well I can't see it from here, but when there's a stop sign at the first left turn right there.
Yeah.
So straight up, first left turn, all the way down here.
Yeah.
The road is kind of have a little slant turn. Once you make the little bend,
Yeah.
that's the chapel right there, yeah?
Okay.
So left turn, stop sign, well, I'm still the car.
Maybe I just saw the kids, because everybody seems to have
Maybe that's a man, because there's some people over there also.
Yeah, man, I just saw you go there. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, you can't miss it then, yeah?
So, I need it for you?
No, we used to get fast, but through the virus.
Yeah.
Can't even know
Oh,
anything, yeah?
alright, respect.
Yeah, man, take
Thanks.
care.
Go.
You too.
It's a free parking, like yeah, it's a free parking. You don't have to pay for it.
Okay. That's not why them here pass.
Oh, okay.
If you can, because COVID and stuff. So the football field down here. We used to go in that time. Yeah. You saying if you come here, come study.
That.
That's
Yeah.
good. I ain't laughing.
Yeah.
If you carry, come, we carry this time. So this is your Auntie Jody study.
Yeah, guys. Auntie Jody used to be a student of Mona.
Oh, should I stop?
I don't know, Jody. Did you stop?
Yeah. I wonder where them go. Vehicles park at the own race.
Oh, wait. I think you have to go down there.
Listen.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna spin it on.
Hush, Leo. What happened?
Nothing.
Oh, hush. Oh, Leo legs.
Look.
Yeah, probably.
Until you.
Because he was sitting in one position
So,
to pull on. So, behind those, Harold, I think. I think behind
Right there?
this wall. I'm
Don't
not
need to
sure.
maybe.
Oh, you want to go down there?
Yeah, I'm stand there.
Okay.
We can have up here. Hey, Leo, what is it? Okay, we're gonna stop. We're gonna stop.
Osh,
Next week, we're
Leo.
gonna stop.
Osh. People, they're chilling on picnic. That's a picnic down there.
So, it's okay. Yeah,
You
have
can
a
park
phone number,
it. It's
call.
probably here. This is a parking lot, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
looks like.
Ah, so okay, so the vlog, I'm
So let it be here.
I'm call.
It's my friends.
Where you need to go?
Here they are.
Where you need to go?
They are? Yeah. That's my friends. Привет.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Привет. Ну, нас
Okay,
наконец-то нашли.
Да, вот тут становитесь.
Хорошо.
You can go.
Yeah, we finally found them because we couldn't find them. You know, guys, Mona is big. Like, the territory of the university is really huge, so you can lose yourself completely. Yeah. A lot of people here. Like, not really a lot, but people are chilling here. Yeah. Danny, wake up, Danny. Wake up, Danny. Danny was sleeping. Got a ball
Daniel, he sleep more,
here.
and then Daniel will sleep, and all of it that will make me sleep.
Danny,
I know he's coming for sleeping.
close it.
Yeah.
You want to take the ball?
You think so?
Huh?
No, it's not too much.
Yeah, you can take the ball. Take it.
Go on, Cody. Go on, good man.
Come, Leo. Leo, are you excited? Leo is excited.
Give me the shot.
Sight.
Hey, I'm okay.
Здрасте.
Alexander. Errol. Oh, nice to meet you.
Daniel.
Юля.
Юля.
Александра и Володя. Владимир.
Лео.
Лева?
Да,
Лева
Лео.
и Даня.
Лева и Даниэль.
Даниэль.
Это
Они
Эрл.
немножко понимают русский, да?
Да.
Отлично.
Да.
Так, а кто младший, кто старший?
А?
Кто младший?
Он старший, он младший.
Так, Лео, how old are you?
Я смотрел под ноутбук.
Лео. Иди сюда.
Иди, Вов, иди сюда.
Давайте знакомиться.
Это Вова. Вова, Владимир.
Владимир.
Привет.
Александра. Александр. Ну и Александр муж.
How old is he?
5.
Hi. Leo, it's so good.
Leo.
Да.
Shy boy, Leo.
Шай.
Началось. Началось. Лео found best friend.
Александра, подождите, Лео.
А он догонит.
Короткое имя, да?
Да, ну мы просто его Лева можем называть.
So it's good shot or you just running?
Леонель.
Were you running the grass or on the... Oh, that's what the...
Я плохо имена запоминаю,
Да,
но все иностранные.
What is this place?
Ну тут красиво,
You know what it
конечно.
is? I don't know.
There is explanation.
Ah, explanation. I've never been to this place, man. Interesting. Chapel.
Oh, this is the chapel I was talking about. Okay. Oh, this is the chapel. Ага.
Диво кошечка за там видно лавочки такое.
The lodge like this. Just people who come
Come for it, yeah.
Because in Ukraine there is a city Odessa.
оттуда?
It is close to the Black Sea.
Yeah.
But it's usually people who live in Odessa never come in summer to the beach to swim, etc. Just people who come to
Alright guys, so this is the chapel. Now we're gonna peep through. Let's see if we will see something. Oh. Ну чуть-чуть видно. As you guys can see a lot of seats. Yes, inside it's closed. It's closed now, so we cannot go in.
Оно походу рабочее, потому что видишь
Дистанция.
на полу, да.
Here guys, but as you see, we have stickers here, so that means the chapel might work now.
Now because I'm injured and I just got better, but COVID. I'm supposed to go back to
What's that? That looks creepy. What is that?
It tells about national Jamaican team. Some
Он подбежал, не стесняясь.
Они... А где они?
Вон на дереве.
Лео?
Видишь, побежал. Какие-то фотосессии все время проходят.
Oh.
Вон там.
Yes guys, as you see, people taking photo shoot down there. It's really nice spot.
I was 13, 14, 15 years old. I played for
Yeah, I know. think only Dinamo Kyiv and Shakhtar.
Yeah, Shakhtar, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
This year they qualified to League of
Yeah.
You know, because coach of Dynamo now, coach who before was coach of Shakhtar.
Ah.
Он знает Шахтер, do you know Шахтер?
Yeah, I know them.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know them.
Динамо, Шахтер, Днепро.
Yeah, but Shakhtar, I love Shakhtar most. Because they always have many Brazilian
Yeah,
players.
this is Brazilian, yeah.
Because they bring them
Diaspora,
from
like
very
Brazilian
small
diaspora,
and they, yeah.
Yeah.
That's how, yeah. And I know Kyiv also. I always watch them in the league. Yeah, I know these two teams. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Там белая птица вот эти. Смотри. Я только что на телефон снимала.
Yeah,
Но они когда взлетают, так классно получается.
Класс, правда.
И там красивое озеро.
Мгм.
Детям главное поломанное дерево. Смотрите, потому что он вам резать
Yeah,
дерево.
it's difficult for them.
It's something the same like in United Kingdom, in London.
Yeah.
Он пока снимается, но ты на английском, если что, скажи ему.
So guys, kids, they are saying that Leo is shy because they think he doesn't understand, but Leo, he knows Russian.
It's not bad.
Leo!
And I think now it's better.
So that's what kids found.
Maybe in Russia because the players
Yeah. Leo!
trained to be.
You got enough motivation.
Yes.
They now in more than in Europe.
Here. So Leo is a little bit shy because he's not really used to new friends, you know. Leo is always shy, but he will free up soon, free up himself.
Each round I put some notes here, and when I play, I put also temperature. But now I realize there is no reason to put temperature because
Leo is using his own style. Leo, осторожно. Careful, Leo. Наконец-то. Finally.
no, I'm vegetarian, but you like
Все, убежали, наигрались. Это все. Ага. So guys, we're going down there because the lake is down there, so it's kind of dangerous for the kids to be there alone. So guys, this is the lake. The lake is, I think it's artificial, but it looks pretty also. Let's see what kids found. They found coconuts. Yes, so what you guys think about that place? I think it's just perfect for photo shoots. It's just amazing. You can see coconuts here. Look, they are young and small, but one day somebody will drink them. So basically Leo is speaking Russian to the kids, and kids are saying that he doesn't understand English. Leo is showing his Russian skills. Danny is sleeping still? I can't believe he's sleeping. Danny! Danny! Boys are having fun. Good thing that I took the ball, right? Yeah, see, they found each other. Yay! Good job, Leo. Whoa!
Maybe I got the wall. Good job.
Не, ну не надо туда.
Puppies? Да? А, что делаешь? Puppies? Kids are saying that puppies are there. Oh, they are sleeping for real, guys. Small puppies are there. Look, they are sleeping so much. Oh, wow. like 3 puppies. Okay. You see, the mother came, so I have to move because she attacked me. She's breastfeeding, just gave birth probably. Here is a private club, and only members can, I guess, join it. And if you're not a member, you have to get out. Here. This is the private club, but I guess private club for people who play tennis here, because down there is a tennis court, and as you guys can see, people play tennis. Look, they do. So guys, if you know what do you need to have to join this club, drop in the comment section. We have a little playground. They are speaking Russian to the kids. I love when Leo speaks Russian to Russian people, because it helps him a lot to improve his language. And Daniel is playing too. Daniel always calls Daddy. Okay, he's showing Daddy. Oh, he can do it. Good, Daniel.
Mama, иди сюда, смотри.
We are coming back home, and look how it looks pretty.
Old light.
Those the lights? Yes,
Don't you the old light?
yeah, that's the shipping port.
This is a Portmore toll. That's how tolls in Jamaica look like, if you're interested. And by the way, the toll price raised, so
Yes, the toll.
now you pay $2.60 instead of $2.40.
Oh,
Used
you
to be
remember.
$2.40.
But when you invest in the toll, you get it back through dividends.
Yeah.
That's why you buy stocks
yeah.
in the toll.
Here, Errol Stevens recommends to buy stocks, toll stocks.
It not really do good still. I'm not saying not do good, but when it come out, it will be low value because of COVID, hopefully.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, but you don't know why we buy the stocks for long term, so hopefully one day.
So we are going home from our friends meeting gathering. And guys, do you know that road? Do you know what that road is famous for? Do you see the cross down there? This is a very famous cross. You guys can see it from your plane when you come to Jamaica. The red cross is a church, right?
Yeah.
Down there. I wonder if you can see it on my camera. It's this cross here. Alright guys, so thank you for being with us. Thank you for watching us. Like, subscribe and share as usual. Hope you enjoyed that day with us. Take care. Bye.